Bunty, come for lunch.
Oh, Mama, why are you disturbing me?
It's time for lunch, Bunty.
Oh, Mama, by the by, what did you prepare for the lunch?
I cooked brinjal.
Brinjal? Oh, Mama, don't you know that I don't like brinjal?
At least have some fruits, Bunty.
No, Mama, I hate these fruits. I don't want these fruits.
If you're gonna act like this, your health will be spoiled.
That's okay, Mama. Always you speak about my health. Oh, chal, let me have something. Every day the same story. Hello parents, are you all facing the same situation at your home with your kids? Then you have to watch the story till the end. There was a boy named Danny. Every day before going to school, his mother used to pack the tiffin box with very delicious breakfast. So this boy, in the break time, immediately when he start the box, to go to teacher and say, "Teacher, today my stomach is aching, teacher. I don't want to eat this food." So teacher said, "No, Danny, why are you saying that? Why didn't you eat little?" Then Danny couldn't say anything. He didn't want to eat, but still somehow he used to eat some little food and he used to keep the box away. The same thing happened the next day also. His mother prepared and she put some fruits in it and she kept another box with a delicious dish. Danny went to school and this time he didn't want to eat fruits. During the breakfast, Danny opened the box and he saw fruits and he was feeling so irritated. He doesn't want to eat the fruit. He went to teacher and said, "Teacher, I'm not feeling hungry, teacher. I don't want to eat." Then teacher said, "Why, Danny? Every day you say some or the other reason during the break. Why don't you eat the food what your mama has packed for you?" Danny didn't speak anything. He went to his place and you know what he did? He started eating one fruit and throwing the other fruit down on the floor. Teacher was observing Danny. What is this boy trying to do? Then teacher went to Danny and said, "Danny, why are you throwing this fruit down?" So Danny said, "Teacher, no teacher, it was just fallen by mistake." Then teacher said, "Okay, that's fine. For today, carry on. From tomorrow, I don't want you to spill any of the food," she said. Then Danny said, "Okay, teacher, I'm sorry." The third day, now Danny went and during the break time, teacher wanted to observe him. So teacher specially was looking at Danny and when Danny started opening his box, he didn't want to have even a bit. This time, Danny tried to slowly take away the box and wanted to spill all the food into the dustbin. Now teacher, suddenly she called Danny. "Danny, what's that? Why are you spilling the food in the dustbin?" Now Danny got scared. "Teacher, no teacher, I'm sorry, I'll not do it again," he said. Teacher understood why this boy is not eating the food properly. So teacher told Danny, "Come Danny, come with me," and took Danny outside the ground. There was a small little boy who was wandering for food. You know what this small poor boy did? Most of the children were eating in the ground and this small little poor boy, he saw the food which was fallen down and he started eating. He was picking those fallen food and trying to eat. Danny saw and he said, "Teacher, look at that boy. He is eating the food which is fallen. You said we shouldn't eat the food which is fallen. Look at that boy is eating," he said. Now the teacher said, "Yes, my boy is very poor boy. You know, he doesn't have food like you. His mama could not pack him the food to eat. That's the reason he is taking the food which is fallen and eating to fill his stomach." Immediately Danny felt very bad. Oh, then what all I did all these days is really bad. I'm sorry, teacher. I understood so many people don't have food to eat, but mama is packing me every day and I am throwing the food. Hereafter I won't do that, teacher, he said. Then teacher was very happy, and from next day onwards, Danny used to eat the food and also used to call the poor boy and also share the food what he was given. So that's how this Danny learned a lesson from that poor boy. So children, you all have to understand that whatever is given to you, they are very valuable and very precious. So don't ever say or don't ever throw the food or the valuable things given to you. Don't say I hate this, or you don't say I don't like this. God has blessed you so many ways. So keep in mind and be happy with what you have. So same way, you also need to share with your friends or with the poor people who are in need. Fine children, hope you all like this story. Take care. Bye.